everyone. So today I had a problem with my truck. My defroster was not working. I was just getting air from the foot vents and from up these vents, mostly from these vents. So I figured out that there's like we all know there's HVAC system behind this dash. So there are 5 actuators that control the 5 doors. They look like this. 1, 2. This is for the airflow. You know, we have the switch to recirculate air or let the outside air come in. So that's the actuator for that, and there's a door inside that this actuator rotates. This is for the temperature door, and there is one up here somewhere in the middle. That's for these vents. That's called panel door. And there's one under here somewhere inside. That's for the floor vents. And there's one more up there, right here somewhere. That actuator is for the defrost vents. So I thought maybe my defrost vents are bad. So I opened this all up and just put my hand inside to have a look. I removed the actuator. The actuator was working fine, and also there was the door. I can see it inside and I can move it. It was working fine. But when I look at my panel door, I saw that when I removed the actuator, and there's the very something that this actuator rotates. So the door has a pin. So that pin is broken. That door is broken and fell inside. So this door is somehow left these vents open, but it's blocking the defrost vents. So I thought maybe it's just the actuator, but it's not. I can replace the actuator. You know, it would be tough to reach from here, but I can still do that. But for replacing the door, I have to take all of this dash outside. I have to take this gearbox, the steering wheel. You can see I already removed a lot of stuff from here. So I'm gonna, you know, remove these panels, and then I'm disconnect the switch, these two, these controls right here. It's air conditioning, automatic climate controls, radio, and all those switches. So where we start over here, we start by removing the first panel, which is right here. So this all got a process. So we cannot like remove these ones first and go there first. We cannot do that. So because if we remove this one first, we will know there are screws under here that's gonna attach these panels. So unless we remove the center one, we won't be able to see the screws behind these panels. So there are 5 panels. First you remove this one, and then you can remove left and right. That's what I have done. And then I have removed there are 2 screws. There were a bar here, you know, we hold it. I removed that bar, the speaker from here. And now next what I'm gonna do, I have also removed the bar from the other side, and this gearbox, it has screws under this this cup holder. I remove this and remove the screws. And then I have also removed the panel for the steering wheel up and down, so that I can access see those big bolts, I guess, yeah. So there are 2 bolts right there. I guess they are 13 mm. 2 right here and 2 should be on the left. So I have to remove both of like 4 of these bolts, so that my steering wheel can rest on my seat. And this is the whole process to do it. And once I open the dash, I'll post another video, or I will attach this video. Right now I'm in the middle of my shift. I'm working, so when I go to my home after finishing my work, I'm gonna start doing this today, and I'm gonna post another video on this. Thank you.
So this is the panel door I was talking about. So it's inside and it's rotated like this. So mine was broken from here. This thing was missing when I removed my actuator from here. I see this thing was missing. So today I'm gonna replace this. I also bought the filters because I'm gonna open this anyways. So I thought it's a good idea to replace the filters as well. Filters, if I can find. See, these are all my panels. I put it here, and this is the filter. It goes outside. We don't have to remove the dash for this filter, but this filter will go inside. This is really thin, cheap stuff. So I'm gonna replace this one as well. So I have removed this and the screw for the bar. I'm gonna remove this panel, and just to show you, it's very easy. It will pop up from here. So right here, south. I'll pull it up. Don't wanna break this. Put this inside somewhere. Now. Okay. Yeah, south. So I'm gonna remove. So this is attached to the dash. I don't have to remove this, but down there I have to remove this. There's a screw over there, like I told you. There are a lot of screws that I have to remove. There are a lot of screws behind this dash. So I'm making these videos one by one, and I'll attach these videos all together at the end. So right here I have uninstalled this automatic shifter. So if you remove this glove box, there are 2 screws under there. If you remove them, and then this bottom part comes loose, and then there are 3 screws right here. You know, easy to do that. Next I'm gonna do this steering wheel. There are 4 fasteners. I'm gonna remove them, and I will turn my camera on again. So here is this. I have removed the steering wheel here. These were the 4 bolts I was talking about, and remove it from there. And now I'm gonna remove this, that, this, and the over there, and then I should be okay with the frame. I have to remove this as well, this support, I guess. So yeah, I'll turn the camera on the next step again. So I have opened everything right now. I'm just gonna pull it out now and see where's the damage is. I believe it's the panel door. Steering wheel is out, every plug, everything is out. I disconnected the battery so that no cross connection happens, no short occurs. So let's pull it out now. Okay, so this is how this looks now, and I found my problem. This is the panel door. If you can see this right here, and this is broken from the pivot up here. So what I'm gonna do is I have to remove the actuators, all of them, 3, and there are case screws, I guess 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have to remove these and open it up so that I can get that out. I mean the door, and hopefully after that it should work. So this is it. This was my panel door. You can see it's broken right from here. So I'm gonna go home now. Tomorrow I'll come back. I'll have to buy this seal right here, so that I can seal it properly. The other on the HVAC system, and tomorrow I'll close all of this. So I just put the steering wheel up on now, and I'm gonna connect all the panels, put all the system up there again. And before I do that, I've already connected my automatic climate control system, the gauges here, and connected my battery to see if everything's work okay now. So I'm getting ample amount of air in the defroster now. The door was broken. I have replaced it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I have installed all the panels now. I'm very satisfied. The truck looks nice again. Very happy. Saved thousands of bucks doing this on my own, and I have installed all the panels. Did it in the correct way. Last time when you opened these all panels, I figured out that someone has worked on my truck, and looks like someone had used the power tool on it, and they have even broken the plastic on it. The plastic frame was broken, you know. It was hit with the power tool, you know, screwed too hard in it, and it has broken the plastic frame at some points. There was a shitty job someone has done on it before, but this time I did it myself. I took care of it well. It's working all fine. Very happy. So I'm gonna I know this video is not that well, because I was stressed, so I just made my video on different steps. But if you guys having trouble doing this, or if you guys have any questions, you can leave it in the comment. Since I have done this, I think I would be able to answer that questions, and I will do everything to help you guys and save some money on it. Thank you.